Hello, hi, welcome to the class. Today I am going to explain elements of direction. So, what are the elements consist when we are giving direction in organization? We may be discussing following the points. So, direction it is very important for the sake of achieving the organizational goals and objectives in an organization. So, direction initiating the all process or activities in an organization. That's why we are clearly understood what are the components consist in a direction. So, see the first one delegation. Delegation involves issue the order and give the instruction superior to the subordinate in organization. It is a delegation. So, delegation it is one of the important elements in a direction. When we are properly issue the orders to the subordinates in an organization and give the legitimate instruction to performing the functions all subordinates in an organization. So that's why it is very important elements under the direction, the name of the delegation. And next one, supervision. Supervision also one of the important elements in a direction. So, we are supervising through the direction to activities of the subordinates in an organization and give the proper instructions to the subordinates in an organization for the sake of performing the functions, achieving organizational goals and objectives. That's why supervision also one of the very important elements of the direction. Without supervision in any process, in any superior, in any organization, we may not be able to achieve the organizational goals and objectives within a time bound. That's why we need to supervision or supervise the all process in an organization. And next one, leadership. Leadership is the process of influencing the subordinates to work willingly for achieving goals of the organization. Hence, leadership is an important component of the direction. When we are show the proper leadership in any process in an organization, our followers also discharge their duties. So then only we are able to achieve the organizational goals and objectives. That's why it is also another important element in a direction in the name of leadership. And next one, motivation. Motivation is one more element of direction. It creates in men the desire and sense of belongingness to work for the organization. Motivation, it is helps to motivate the people. They create the morality of the organization and work for doing a particular process in a organization. That's why it is also another important element of the direction. And next one, communication. Communication is an integral part of the direction. Through communication, manager issue guidelines to the subordinates as to what they should do and how they should do it. Communication, it is very essential in an organization because superior, they should tell to the subordinate how to do, what to do, how should they do in any process in an organization. That's why it is also another important element of the direction, the name of the communication. And next one, coordination. Coordination implies proper integration of activities of various members involved in achieving organizational goals. So, coordination also, it is very essential in a direction involving the all levels to achieve the organizational goals and objective. That's why these are all the factors indicating the importance of elements of the direction. So see, without proper directions to the subordinate from the superior, they may not performing well, or they are not able to achieve the organizational goals and objectives within a time bound. So that's why any organization, they must require proper directions to achieve the organizational goals and objectives.